Hi, you're about to see a video of a 5-star rated company. This company has earned the right to be on the first page of Google and can certainly help you with your needs. Also, in the video, there's a special offer if you contact them today. If you're in need of garage door installation or repair, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local garage door service, and we pride ourselves on being reliable, professional, and affordable. If you need a brand new garage door installed professionally, we can help. We have extensive experience installing all of the top brand name garage doors and garage door openers. Also, if your current garage door is damaged or not functioning properly, we can diagnose and repair or replace any parts that aren't working. So contact us now to set up an appointment. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching this video. Please hurry and contact the owner for the limited time offer.